Hey, what is up, nation? In this session, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a sphere the easy way. Alright, so in one of my other videos, I show how to make a sphere from scratch, and I've got a ton of comments on that complaining about why isn't there a tool in Sketchup that will do that for you. And I can't answer that question. I don't work for the dev team, but I can tell you there are easier ways than constructing a sphere or any sort of geometric shape from scratch. So the first way I want to show you is just to go to Window 3D Warehouse. If there's a specific shape you're looking for, just type it in. So if you're looking for a sphere, just go to the 3D Warehouse, and there are a ton of spheres to pick from. Just pick one, download it into your model. Would you like to load this directly in? Yep, there you go. Now the issue with this is you can see that there's some facets here. What you're giving up in this and the other way that I'm going to show you is you're just giving up the control you have over that shape. How smooth it is or not smooth it is. Basically, you know, like I'm stuck with this if I don't know how to model this from scratch. So that's just something to be aware of when you're using either of these two options, is that you're forfeiting the opportunity to make something smoother or less smooth by not constructing it from scratch. So, but maybe that's fine. Maybe for this, that's okay for whatever you're doing. The second thing, the second way that I would import a sphere is I've actually installed a plugin here that lets you just click any of these shapes up here, and you can just import them. Again, same problem. This plugin is created by Alex, I forget his name, Schmoyer, I want to say, but I think that's completely wrong. He has a lot of SketchUp books. So if you just type in sphere in the extension warehouse, eventually it'll load. And I came down here to Schreier, is his name, Alex Schreier. Place shapes toolbar, so I just clicked on that. You have to be logged in to do this, to install it, but and if you need help doing that, I have a video showing you how to install plugins and extensions, and it's pretty simple. But you just come in, it gives you all these little options of different tools to use, and even a geodesic sphere or a geodesic dome, which is kind of cool. But again, there's no like option for how to actually like do this, or like how many facets or things like that. It doesn't give you those sort of options for this. Icosahedron, like that other video I just made. So hopefully this helped. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And as always, happy hacking.
Alright designers, just because this episode of Designer Hacks is over doesn't mean we're leaving you out in the cold. Tony's got tons of great content available at designerhacks.com. So join Design Nation right now, and we'll see you on the next episode of Designer Hacks.